Okay, dah terbawa-bawa. Okay. On behalf, Dato' ready?
Okay, thank you all for coming. And big hand for Dato' David, our legend. We have known each other since 1974, I think. In Tin Mine, yeah, we were playing side by side. And we were part-time band that time. Diorang professional. So bila tengok diorang main, kita pun macam alamak, satu hari kita nak jadi macam ni lah. Tapi sampai sekarang belum jadi lagi. So they were a fantastic band. Dia dengan Loga, dengan Frontline, Ameng on bass kan, Albert was on drums kan, Shan was on guitar. So it was a fantastic experience for me and my beginning of my career as a musician. So diorang yang banyak inspire apa yang saya buat selepas itu. So terima kasih kepada Alicia.
David, I love you David. Assalamualaikum para hadirin yang hormati sekalian. Sahabat saya David, Dato' David Arumugam. Dapat Dato' Syed pun sama-sama dengan dia. Bila keluar newspaper dia kata, Cat, mana ada artis keluar front page, dia kata. So he was so excited, you know, and when I started my career in 1978, saya banyak buat touring dengan Alley Cats waktu itu. Dan dia macam, dia dengan Loga is like my big brother. Every time kita buat concert, the backstage, he said, this is my girl. And when they say this is my girl, mean they have to protect me. Actually, they want me. Anyway, saya mengambil kesempatan ini mengucapkan terima kasih kerana support yang diberikan kepada mereka ini. Ahli-ahli musician yang begitu berkaliber di sini pada malam ini. InsyaAllah, Unity Band, kita akan membuat satu lagi persembahan di USM pada 10 hari bulan 1 nanti. Saya akan menyanyi lagu-lagu Alley Cats juga. Yes. Dan pada 27 hari bulan Disember nanti, karyawan akan mengadakan satu konsert also tribute pada kita punya legendary Sweet Charity di PWTC. So datanglah beramai-ramai, come and support us. And thank you, my God. Look at all the crowd here tonight. It's marvelous. You did it, my brother. Look at everybody here tonight.
Terima kasih.